Welcome back to my channel travelav. Hi wonderful people, this is Vicky from India. So glad to be here with you. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience exploring the Notre Dame Cathedral and the Church of Saint-Severin, along with a glimpse of some charming shops and restaurants from outside. Previously, in my last 4 videos, I covered the Eurostar train journey from Amsterdam to Paris, a detailed review of Hotel Ibis, a complete guide to Hop and Hopper bus tour, and in-depth exploration of top 3 museums in Paris. If you would like to catch up, be sure to check out my Paris playlist. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and don't skip any part of the video to catch all the highlights. I'll also be explaining some key differences between a church and a cathedral, so stay tuned. This is my first day in Paris, and after exploring the Louvre Museum, I am now traveling on a hop and hopper bus to reach the Church of Saint-Severin, located at 1 Rue des Prêtres, Saint-Severin 7055, Paris, France. This historic church is known for its stunning Gothic architecture and rich heritage. Welcome to the Church of Saint-Severin, one of the oldest and most beautiful churches in the Paris. This church is known for its stunning Gothic architecture featuring high vaulted ceiling, intricate stone carving, and breathtaking stained glass windows. The stained glass windows inside showcase vibrant colors and detailed biblical scenes, adding to the church's mystical atmosphere. One of the most unique features is the twisted pillar in ambulatory, a masterpiece of medieval craftsmanship. The church has been a center of religious and cultural life for centuries and continues to be a place of peace and reflection. As I walk through the church, I can feel its deep history and admire the timeless beauty of its architecture. The pipe organ is another highlight, often used for mesmerizing concerts, filling the church with divine music. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and show your support. Outside the church is surrounded by a charming street, cafes, and souvenir shops, making it a perfect spot for cultural walk. What is the cost of caps?
Huh?
What is the cost of caps?
Dépend de ton tiers.
Yep. This one.
Huh? This one 8 euro. 8.
And this one?
This one 10.
10. Okay. Can I have the book, sir? Can I try this one? Mirror. Where is the mirror?
Yeah. Never.
Color is not suitable for me.
I like this color. Very nice for you.
Do you think the color looked good? If you have any questions about your visit, need more information about Paris, feel free to drop them in a comment below. Now you can see Istanbul restaurant, a popular Turkish eatery in Paris, known for its authentic Turkish cuisine and flavorful dishes. Now you can see another shop offering a variety of items including gift souvenirs, clothing like sweat t-shirts, cap and more. Sweat t-shirts cost
22, you have 22, 25, 29, 32.
27, 22. Okay. Next, you can see Jardin Notre Dame restaurant, which is famous for traditional French cuisine. In this restaurant, you can enjoy French onion soup, duck confit, or fresh seafood dishes. Similarly, you will come across more souvenir shops and charming cafes along this road, offering a variety of unique gifts and local delicacies. Now I am heading towards the iconic Notre Dame Cathedral. Do you know the difference between cathedral and a church? If you do, share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your loved ones. A church is a general place of worship for Christians, while a cathedral is a more significant church that serves as the seat of bishop. A cathedral has a higher status in the Christian hierarchy because it is the central church of diocese, whereas a church can be any local place of worship. Cathedrals are often larger and more architecturally grand, featuring intricate designs, stained glass windows, and high ceilings, while churches can vary in size and design, often being simpler in structure. The head of cathedral is a bishop who oversees multiple churches within a diocese, while a church is typically led by a priest. I am getting closer to the iconic Notre Dame Cathedral, one of the famous landmarks in Paris. This cathedral, built in 12th century, is known for its stunning Gothic architecture, intricate stained glass windows, and massive bell towers. Notre Dame was witnessed many historical events including royal coronation and major religious ceremonies. It is also famous for Victor Hugo's novel The Hunchback of Notre Dame, which brought global recognition to this masterpiece. Unfortunately, in 2019, a fire caused severe damage, but restoration efforts are ongoing to bring back its former glory. Let me know in the comment if you have ever visited Notre Dame or if it's on your bucket list. I am wrapping up this video here to keep it short and engaging. In the upcoming videos, we will dive into the Arc de Triomphe, enjoy a scene riverboat cruise tour, and experience the breathtaking Eiffel Tower. Don't miss out, subscribe now and hit the like button to help us creating great content.